Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. So what have we got for you this week? Well, we've been talking a lot in the Smart Art Academy all about tones and getting contrast in our artwork. And I have a really handy tip. Print out a little card or just draw on a card some squares, colour them in, going as dark as possible to the white of the paper. And then when you're looking at your artwork and you're not sure if you've got all those tones in correctly, just place this against your art and it makes it so much easier to see where you've got your tonal values, to make sure that you've got a range of tones that's going to give you contrast and depth. So when we're looking at, say, this cat's eye, I can put my range of colours against it just so that I can see I've got a nice range of tonal values in there. And if you're working on colour, simply take a photograph in black, turn it to black and white. Most smartphones do that. And again, put your tonal chart against it to see that you've got those contrasts in place. It's very easy to play in the midtones and to lose that sense of contrast. So having these, I have one in paint as well, having these nearby are really, really helpful for you to see those tones. So take a look. Click on the link below to subscribe to my email list and you'll get to find out about the free workshops and all about the Smart Art Academy. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel too. See you next week for another 2-minute art hack.